exposing the secret to making fire in the wild, using just what you find around you. Most people overcomplicate it, but it's way easier than you think. Let's break it down together. First up, let's talk fuel. Look for dry twigs and sticks, nothing green or damp. Gather 3 types: tinder, which catches fire easily. Think dry leaves, bark shavings, or cotton kindling, which are finger-sized sticks. Fuel wood, about the width of your wrist. Now time for the fire lay. The classic teepee works great. Arrange your tinder in a small pile, stand kindling around it like a tent, and keep your bigger sticks handy for later. If you've got matches or a lighter, awesome. But if not, try a ferro rod or a magnifying glass on a sunny day. Aim for the tinder, get it glowing, then gently blow. Once it's caught, add kindling bit by bit. Don't smother it, let the fire grow. When kindling's going strong, add larger fuel wood. In no time, you'll have a crackling campfire. Never leave a fire unattended, and always douse it completely when you're done. Now you know how to make fire from scratch. Get out there and own your next adventure.